everyone, it's Caitlyn here. This look is of course Davy Jones from Pirates of the Caribbean. Now I created this face paint look for Wholesale Halloween Costumes. If you would like to check out the video of the full makeup tutorial, click that video right there and it will bring you over to their channel for the full makeup tutorial. Now this is perfect for Halloween or cosplay or something. Like I just drew on, well, painted on the neck just to fill it in, but the face is the main deal. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, share, favorite, and subscribe to my channel to watch more of moi, as well as check out the full makeup tutorial over on Wholesale Halloween Costumes channel, as well as subscribe to them to see more makeup looks like this over on their channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay beautiful, okay? Bye.
Wherever love goes, there is also misery. It's no mystery. And you and I, we got history. Yeah. Wherever love flows, there is also tragedy. When we're in too deep. And you and